presentation. It will be available from our website. We are recording it, and we will let everyone know through an email when that link is live and up and available. So again, thank you for participating and posting all your great questions. Please use the resources on our website. We hope you take advantage of our blog. And the last thing I would like to tell you is that we do have another webinar coming up on March 24th. The topic will be Interpretation Services for Immigrant and Refugees. And we will be sending an announcement out, and we hope to host you at future webinars. And I am going to give you back to Eileen to take a few of your questions. And again, we appreciate it, and we hope you will be on webinars in the future.
Thank you very much, Donna. Okay, I've looked at some of the questions coming in, and let's talk about them. The first one was that there are illiterate parents who are illiterate in their own language, and the question is, what strategies can we use for these parents? Well, it's very important that you provide an opportunity for them to share their insights verbally, because just because they don't have the written language obviously doesn't mean that they don't have a lot of valuable insights. So create those opportunities, and I think this is also an opportunity for the school district to have some family literacy events. This is truly a gift to the community and to the society to help these parents become literate, to help them become really functioning at a higher level in the community. And this is, again, what they've come to the country for. There's a very good website called familylit.org that talks about a lot of family literacy programs. So the second question is, what do you do if you have a school that doesn't have a culturally or linguistically competent person to help the families? I think this is the ideal example of when you go out into the community. You've got all these resources. You've got community agencies. Almost always there is some religious institution where many members of that community attend. That's where you can gain some competence in the culture, and perhaps some of the parents who've been around a little bit more. We have a lot of bilingual parents that we don't often tap. Maybe they can help with this. The third question was, there was basically a comment that it says that refugee parents do not help their children at home. They don't have the language. And I have to let you know that the research doesn't show that. The research shows that these parents, whether or not they have the English language, they are involved with helping their children after school. It may simply be showing to their children that school is important by saying, are you ready for school this morning? Did you get your homework done? Maybe it's packing a lunch. Whatever it is, they are working with their children at school, and we can't discount that, and we need to support that, and we need to help turn that into something where they truly can help their children. How do they navigate the system? Again, that's the kind of thing that we did in these parent leadership classes to really help them. Last question we're going to talk about is, do teachers still do home visits? Someone said it's very rare in my school. Well, the truth of the matter is that school visits are really becoming more broadly used because they are so successful, so helpful to the school. San Diego has a really wonderful program that's been where every family is visited, and we see it more and more frequently because it benefits the school in so many ways. Sometimes it's a teacher, sometimes it's an administrator, sometimes it's an outsider who's trained to do this, sometimes it's the social worker, but we have to get away from that model of a home visit is just about dealing with a family in crisis or a family that has a problem. Truly, these home visits to connect the family to the school and give the school insights about the culture and what's going on in the family are invaluable, and I think we need to move in that direction. And so we'll close out the webinar by talking about how to get more information. Again, as Donna said, you'll be receiving more information in the email about how to access this webinar. and download the slides, the Caring Across Community. There's the email for Caring Across Communities and also the website. And also if anyone wants to contact me directly, there's my email and my information about my website. So we really appreciate your all being here with us on the webinar, and I look forward to the questions that you're going to pose on the blog. Thank you so much for the opportunity.